Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're talking about air filter maintenance. Now, we all know how important it is, not only for the longevity of your engine, but if you want to keep things breathing well and your bike or ATV side-by-side running good, you need to stay up on this maintenance. So right here, I've got this Tusk first line foam air filter cleaner. We're going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to pull that filter out, come over to the bench. So when people clean these, one of the biggest complaints is some of the oil not coming out all the way or the grease. So we're gonna show you how easy this cleaner takes off the grime. And it really makes the job quite a bit easier. The other cool part about this cleaner is it's safe on the glue for these seams. It's also safe on the grommets and the plastic, so you can clean out your air box as well. So I'm gonna shake this up, spray this on. Now, normally I'd let this soak for about 15 minutes and I'd work it in as well and then rinse it out with some soap and water, but we're gonna show you real quick, just by working that in, you can see that grime pull away. So this is a cleaner that actually is gonna get the job done. It also comes in a kit. You can get the foam air filter oil with it, and that way you can go through the whole process. So once we let this sit, we're gonna rinse it out and then we'll let it dry. And I like to have 2 filters in rotation for me personally. That way I can have one that's dry. I'll put the fresh oil on that one, put it back in the bike, and this one can dry while I go ride. So that's it for the Tusk first line foam air filter cleaner. If you need some of that stuff, just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.